Pahari School of Painting. Its origin and region originated in Himalayan foothills, present-day Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, flourishing during the 17th to 19th century, influenced by Mughal and Rajput styles. Main centers of Pahari painting divided into two main groups: Basoli School and Kangra School. So Basoli School is around the 17th century and Kangra School is around mid 18th century. The Basoli School is the oldest style, bright bold colors and geometric faces. Famous for illustrating Rasamanjari, Bhagavata Purana and Ramayana. Patron is Raja Kirpal Pal. Just remember this: Basoli School patron is Raja Kirpal Pal and Kangra School most refined and naturalistic. So this one is the most old and this one is the most refining and naturalistic. Patron is Raja Sansar Chand. Here Kirpal Pal will come here. Raja Sansar Chand will come. Delicate lines, soft lines and romantic themes. Themes of Radha Krishna love and nature, Bhagavata Purana. Over here also the Bhagavata Purana and here also the Bhagavata Purana is common over here in Basoli and Kangra school. So in Rasamanjari and Ramayana are the unique features of Basoli school, and Radha Krishna love and the nature is the unique feature of the Kangra school. Other schools are other schools such as Gullar and transitional styles between the Mughal and Kangra. Chamba is a decorative and narrative painting, and Mandi is about the folk and religious style influenced by Basoli. And Kulu Baizalpur, stylized form of spiritual objects. Common features of this painting: miniature format on paper, use of natural dyes and pigments, and then the theme form is about the Hindu epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, Bhagavata Purana, love stories of Radha and Krishna. Nature elements such as lush green landscapes, rivers, flowers. Next comes the comparison between the Pahari versus Mughal paintings. So in the previous chapter too, we have um, studied about the comparison between the Deccan and Mughal paintings. So this chapter we're going to study about the comparison between the Pahari and Mughal paintings. The all the stories about the Mughal paintings will be remaining the same, but what about the changes is about the Pahari painting. So what's the style of the Pahari painting is about the romantic and it's poetic, devotional. Influences Rajput plus Mughal and subjected to the religion, love and nature. And the colors which is used over here are bright, natural and tones. So over here it's subtle. The tones are used, court life, history, battles for the Mughal paintings. So over the Pahari painting, just remember about the scenery of the Himachal Pradesh, such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, so that we can get the answer correctly. So just gonna look into the quick facts for the CUET. It's none other than the Kangra. Kangra is equal to how Kangra is not. They're just we are making a short bullet points. So Kangra is about very soft, romantic, and Krishna themed. And Basori is about bold, geometric, and dramatic. So, which is the oldest? Just give in the comments. And the theme are religious and lyrical rather than historical. So by this way, what you can understand, yes, we can come to the conclusion, and it's not historical. The Pahari painting is not about the historical, but it's about only the religious and lyrical. And which painting is historical? And yeah, Mughal paintings are known as the historical paintings, known for, and Pahari painting is known for graceful figures and lyrical beauty. Lyrical beauty was all about the Pahari painting only, and Kangra is very soft and romantic, and it's about the Krishna themed, and Basoli is bold, geometric, and dramatic. Thank you.